With a light workout on the bike, you'll be exercising your cardio and avoiding heart-related diseases that can result from long periods of inactivity. Plus, there's the extra benefit of weight loss. You stay in shape by losing extra calories, avoiding obesity, and decreasing mobility issues. Cycling decreases the risk of dying by more than 25% per year. It decreases inflammation and it decreases high blood pressure. Plus, cycling and movement is good for your mental health. By restoring your body's energy levels, you're working to prevent stress, depression, and anxiety.